Question 18 is 3 marks, vectors. I'm sure many students don't know how to do the vectors, so I'll explain it in a minute and then we will do the question. I'll just explain it in 1 minute. I tell my students always to think of vectors like streets. You're going from one city to another city. Think of these as cities. Alright? So you're going from a city to another city. The lines are streets. This is a street. This is a street, and that's a street. You can only drive through these streets. Okay, that's good. What else? Any empty space is a jungle. You can't drive here. This is a place where you can't drive. It's a jungle. It's a forest. It's bad place. Don't go there. All right. And also, anything you don't know is not given. It's a street you don't know, so you don't drive. For example, here they tell you if you go from O to A, it's 4A. If you go from O to B, it's 4B. But they didn't tell you this. So this street we don't know, so we will not use it. And that's how you think of vectors. Now let's answer the first question. The question says, write down vector AB. Think of it like you are driving from point A, city A to city B. So can we drive here? We can't because we don't know. This is street, so we'll go there. It's opposite of 4A, so this is minus 4A. And then we'll drive here, which is 4B. So AB is minus 4A plus 4B. That's it. You see how easy is it? It's fun, isn't it? Now, let's read the rest of the question. The question says, point P is on AB such that AP to PB is 1 to 3. Alright, that's good. So 1 to 3, that means this is all 4. 1 and 3. Alright, so we will do what? What's the whole length? What's AB? It's minus 4A plus 4B. We will divide this by 4 because it's 1 to 3, so it's 4. So 4A divided by 4 is minus A. 4B divided by B is B. That means this short length here is minus A plus B. Alright, so what's the question asking now? The question says, go from O to P, from city O to city P. This is it here. Can we drive through this place? No, we can't. So we will do what? We will go here, and then we'll go down. Let me just erase this. So we'll go here, and then we'll go down. This is 4A, and this is negative A plus B. Now let's make it simple. 4A minus A is 3A plus B. And that's it. You see how easy it's vectors. It's not that difficult.